For the cost management, three items are very important. First of all, the plan. Secondly, how the project is going regarding the cost or with respect to the cost, the spending, actual spending. And the last one, forecast. So to handle all these three items, we have a technique which is known as earned value management. So let's discuss how the earned management value actually works. So here we have a diagram. This diagram shows us all three things: the original plan, actual spending, and then the forecast. So we can see here, this is our original plan, or it is known as planned value. So this is what we are supposed to spend, which we have already planned. Similarly, one more important thing is budget at completion. So this is our budget at completion. So from this point up to this point, this whole amount or cost which will be spent, it is our budgeted cost. This is the budget we have kept for our project to complete it, to complete each and everything inside the project, and all the scope which we are supposed to deliver will be completed within the budget at completion. So this line shows the today's date or any specific date, because in the life cycle of the project we need to do the earned value management so that we can see where we are standing with respect to our cost and budget. How much we have spent, how much work is remaining, how much cash or budget is remaining with us. And if we are able to complete the project in this remaining amount we have with us, or we need to realign our project, we need to acquire more resources or whatever the situation is with the project at some specific time during the life cycle of the project. So for example, we consider this is today's date. Project is already running, let's say maybe since 2, 3, 5 months. Project in progress. So this is today's date. Today we are seeing how our project is progressing with respect to our budget. Here we have the other important thing, which is actual spending. What we have actual spent on the project. It is known as actual cost. So actual cost will tell us what we have spent, and then we can measure it, or we can check this value with the planned value. So we can see according to plan if we are going, or we are ahead, or if we have spent over the plan. So whatever the situation is, it will be clear through the earned value management. So this is our actual cost, what we have actually spent during the completion of the project activities and work practice. Another important thing is estimate to completion. So once we have done this values calculation, we know what actually plan is, what actually we have spent. So if we can calculate from these two values, so then we can see how much the remaining amount is with us, and then we can also see how much the remaining project scope is with us. Now we have to recalculate and see if the remaining scope can be completed into the remaining amount, and if not, then how much additional amount is required. So that additional amount is known as estimate to completion. So this is the additional amount, and this is not additional from the remaining, but total additional amount which is required to complete the remaining scope. And if the additional amount or estimate to completion is equal to whatever the remaining budget with us, so it's okay, no problem. We are having the same amount of scope, and we are having the enough money to complete that scope. But in other case, if we need additional amount, the remaining amount is less, but estimate to completion shows that we need additional amount. It means then our budget at completion is not valid anymore. We need to estimate new ending budget or new amount, which is known as estimate at completion. So now this amount will tell us how much budget will be spent once the project will be completed. So this is still an estimate, and with passage of time we will also get to know if it is according to whatever we have estimate and the project is completing according to it, and if not, then we have to reassess the project again. So, but basically we need to know what the actual plan is, how we are actually spending. So what is the original plan, how we are actually spending, and according to these two, how much more money we need. So that is known as forecast. So from this diagram we can understand the all three stages of the